Hi, learning with Nima Nambe. Today we are making two pizzas, chicken pizza and sausage pizza. Yes, so the toppings we are going to be using are some vegetables, sausages, chicken, yeah, some pineapples. Okay, yep. So let's get into it. As you can see, I am frying some of the sausages and the chicken. Okay, so if you are using the chicken drumstick, you have to debone it and then season it so well and fry it nicely as you are seeing, and the sausages too are well fried. Okay, I grated some of the sausages. You will see how I'm going to place it on the pizza. Okay, so we are going ahead to build the pizza. This is the sauce that we prepared some time ago. Please check that video out if you haven't watched it. And of course we have our dough well done. Okay, and this is the mozzarella cheese also. Yep, so we are going to start building the pizza. This is the chicken pizza that I'm going to start with, and of course you need to prick some holes into the already spread out pizza and then apply your pizza sauce on it. The reason for pricking those holes is to prevent any air from popping, like popping in the pizza dough. All the air has to come out, and also for easy cooking of the pizza dough, of the pizza base. Okay, make a very nice crust. So we just applied some of the sauce onto the pizza base. Yes, be generous, guys. You will love it if you have nice sauce on your pizza base. Of course, I've grated the mozzarella cheese and I'm spreading it evenly across. Be generous also. Okay, but you have to know the quantity that you want to use. Okay, and also I'm going in with the fried chicken, very well seasoned. Okay, yes, and I'm placing it all around. See how I am doing it all around, so that when you slice your pizza, you will have some chicken to bite in every bite. Okay, you will enjoy some nice chicken in every bite. So yep, that is how I spread in my chicken. Okay, and also I'm going in with the pineapple. You see how I made the pineapple, cut them into small pieces and squeeze out some of the juice. Okay, you are going to enjoying your pizza with this pineapple in there. But if you don't love pineapple on your pizza, you can skip it, it's optional. Okay, and I'm going in with more cheese. This mozzarella cheese is going to be nice on your pizza. Yes, so after spreading the cheese all over again on top for the second time, I am going in with my bell peppers, real bell pepper, green bell pepper, and also orange bell peppers. Okay, yes. Okay, so this gives it a whole lot of colors and life, guys. As you can see, it's very nice, it's attractive, and you are going to love the flavor that it brings to your pizza. Yep. Please, guys, just say something about this pizza. How are you seeing it? Okay, just comment something about it. Okay, and I go in with my oregano, dried oregano flakes, and of course I'm going in again with my pizza spice. This will give it a whole lot of aroma. You can't do pizza without oregano and pizza spice. Okay, so I am using the local oven. As you see it, the oven is on top of my coal pots. Yes, I kept some charcoal fire in it and the oven on it, so this is very easy to use. Okay, so yes, it's going to be baking for, like, you have to be checking it because you don't know the kind of temperature that your fire is going to give you. Okay, if it was the gas oven, you can regulate it. So for the local oven, you have to always check, like every 5 minutes, like 5 minutes you have to check it. It can get cooked in 7 minutes. Okay, so yeah, so I'm building the second pizza. This is a very small pizza. Okay, I'm building the second one, and yes, we are going to be using sausages. So I used 4 sausages. I fried 2 and grated 2. Okay, so the grated one, I did not fry it, I did not cook it. Okay, it's still pre-cooked. This is because it will cook in the oven. You will love it, okay? Because of the way I'm going to be placing it on my pizza, I decided to grate it. And if you are grating it, please let it be freezed before you grate it. You see that it will come out nicely, okay? See how the grated sausage is. See how I am placed on the pizza. So after the sauce, I place some mozzarella cheese, then the grated sausage, and of course I'm going to be going in with a lot more vegetables and also the cooked sausage, okay? Please guys, if you are watching this on YouTube, give it a thumbs up, okay? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Niman Nambe, okay? If you are not watching it on YouTube, wherever you are watching it, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel, Niman Nambe. So after the fried sausage, I am going in with my pineapple, of course, and also the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and the orange bell peppers. Yes, just like the way I built the other one, okay? So now I go in with another layer of mozzarella cheese. If you have more, just be generous, okay? And of course I'm going in with my oregano flakes and also the pizza spice. If you have no pizza spice, do you know what you're going to use in place and your pizza will look delicious? Black pepper powder. You will enjoy it, okay? So yep, that's the pizza spice and also the oregano flakes. And after this, if you have olive oil, just drizzle some oil on it and go in straight into your oven with it, okay? So yep, the first pizza is ready and this is me going to give it a try. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Just take a look at this pizza. As you can see guys, everything came out nice. The pizza is not saggy. Just look at the base and the crust, okay? So if you get your pizza base right, everything is going to come out nicely, okay? So yes, this is the second pizza, which is the sausage pizza. It also came out nicely. I didn't want it to overcook, okay? As you can see that we still have some cheesy white cheesy out there. I love that one too. And we kept it for the next day and we are eating it to enjoy. Thank you.